Hey there, this is Julian, and today we want to compare Base44 to Replit. We are going to do this side by side, so I will give the same prompt to both AI app builders. But before we start, really important, you will find my partner link to both tools down in the video description, and it will allow you to sign up for free. And at the same time, you're helping me and my channel, so thank you a lot if you're using my links down below. And now I would say let's start. First, we need an idea, and I think we need to build like a nutrition tracking app like MyFitnessPal, where we can track our calories and our macronutrients. And I prepared a prompt for this, and I will just copy this in. But first I want to sign up because I already tested this with Replit beforehand, and I ran into an upgrade prompt down here. So it asked me to upgrade because I already ran out of free credits when I start building. And this is what I can tell you right away. Base44 allows you a little bit more on the free plan. They will give you more credits to build something, but more to this later. So I will sign up for both. If you want to try it out at the same time, as said, you will find the links down below. So let me sign up. So now, as you can see, I am in Base44 and here I am in Replit. And now I will just give the same prompt to both AI app builders. So here I just put it in. And now let's compare the speed by just sending it in both apps. So now they start building it. And normally this works by they thinking about the idea, they planning out what they want to build, then they design the front end, and both tools also write you the code. And in the end, you can access the code if you want, but they are called no-code app builders. So you don't need to know how to code. They will do this automatically for you. So let's see what they're doing. And here we get a prompt: verify your phone to use Replit managed AI providers or use my own API key. I'm good for now. I use my own. So that's very different. In Replit, sometimes you need to have your own API keys. And while they work on the app, later on, I will also show you a side-by-side comparison, like the verdict of this tutorial, what I would advise you to do after this video. But first, let's look at the pricing. So both have a starter and free plan. So on the free plan with Base44, you get 25 credits each month, so you can start building something. And when you upgrade, you get 100 message credits included for $16. And this is usually enough for building a couple of apps. And for Replit, it's kind of the same. So you can start for free and you get a couple of credits. But as said, I ran into the paywall quite quickly. It didn't even finish the first app I wanted to build. It directly asked me to upgrade. So Base44 definitely gives you a little bit more actions on the free plan. But then you can upgrade to Replit Core for $18 on the yearly plan. So it's $2 more expensive than Base44, and you get $20 of monthly credits. And that's one of the main differences. Here on Replit, they charge you dollars for your credits, and here they charge you credits. You get 100 credits for $16, and then you have 100 credits to use. But here, every task you give the AI actually costs you dollars. It will make more sense later on in the app, but just for you to know. So both are kind of the same. Base44 is a little bit cheaper to start with. The builder plan is 40, Pro plan 80, and the Elite plan is 160. And here it's kind of the same. The Pro plan is 90, and then you have custom plans. So yeah, and you have different features like collaborators, but I think this is too boring to dive into. You can just check out the pricing yourself. But just to let you know, you can start for free. Base44 gives you a little bit more on the free plan, and the credit system works here on dollars on Replit, and on Base44 it's dollars converted into credits. So let's go back and check out the apps. So it's building the calorie tracker, and here the Replit agent is also building. So let's see who comes in first. So now I had to stop the video because it worked for 9 minutes, and here this was done 7 minutes ago. So Base44 literally took like 2 or 3 minutes, and Replit took like 9 minutes for this. And this is the final result. So here on the right you see the app from Replit, and here you see the result from Base44. And I don't know, you be the judge of the design. I think Base44 looks better. I like it more. It looks more mobile in a way, but design wise they're both okay. But here I think this button is nice, and the different colors it also has, and both put like dummy data in this. So I think this is nice. Here we have an AI nutrition coach, and we don't have this here. So here on Base44, we even have an AI telling you what to do and what to eat during the day. So we can summarize, it was faster Base44 by 7 minutes almost. And I think design-wise, it also looks better. And let's see the costs. So Base44 charged us 1.2 credits and Replit charged us $1.93. So this sounds way more expensive, but let's check here on the free plan from Base44. We get 25 message credits, meaning we can almost build 20 apps on the free plan, which I think this is crazy. And Replit charged us almost $2. And as said, I tried it earlier on the free plan, but then I ran into the paywall, so I needed to upgrade. And even on the paid plan, so when this app cost us $2 to build, on the pricing plan here for $18, we get $20 of credits, meaning we can build 10 of these apps. So in my opinion, we can build more on the free plan from Base44 than on the paid plan on Replit, which I think this is crazy. But yeah, as said, this cost us 1.2 credits and we get 25 credits on the free plan, and on Replit we get $20, and this cost us already $2 almost. So yeah, this is crazy, very big difference. But now let's check out the functionality, because this is why we want to build apps, because we want to check our calories. Therefore, I can just click here and check out the app inside the preview. Let me click on this, and then I will just upload the same picture here of some avocado toast with eggs, and I will upload the same here. So here I click on lock, then on upload. And now both of these apps send it to the AI. Here we had to enter the API key of ChatGPT or of OpenAI, and Base44 is already integrated with maybe Google Gemini or ChatGPT, I don't know, but we don't have to enter our own API key. So I think this is perfect. And what I just saw here, we ran into an issue, so it's not working. Let me upload it again. It's analyzing the meal, and meanwhile Base44 is done. We have a fried egg, a whole wheat bread, and mashed avocado. So I think this is perfect. Oh yeah, it's failed again. So now we would need to go in and revisit why it's not working. But let's first check out Base44. So it took the picture, and what I really like, it divided it in all ingredients. So we have the egg, the bread, and the avocado, and we can add this to our lunch. It automatically took the time, and it's around noon here, and now it's added and deducted from our daily calories, and we have protein, we have carbs, and we have fat. So this is how I would expect an AI app builder to work. And I can also publish this. So when I click here on publish, it will give me a dummy domain from Base44. I can also edit this domain. So when I want to have like a, I don't know, calorie minus tracker 123, and then change it, and now I have this domain, and now I can publish this and people can start using it. I can also connect it to Stripe and start selling it. I will tell you a little bit more about this later. But first, let's check why the Replit app is not working. So here we can just directly jump in and say, hey, the app is not working. I uploaded a picture and it gave me an error. Can you please check why it's not working? And now it's transcribing what I just said, and now I can send it, and now the AI is analyzing the mistake, and hopefully it will automatically fix the error. And on Base44 we are already live, so the app is live on the web. People can log in here and then start using the app. And voila, the app is live. Now you can send it over to a friend and then they can start using your app. And they can also use it on their phone because it's a web app. So let's go back, and here on Replit, clear issue, the photo is being sent as Base44 JSON, okay? And the problem is fixed. So let's see when I want to upload the picture again. It's analyzing the meal now, and hopefully it's working now. And it failed again. So let me stop the video. I'm going to try to fix it, and let's see how many credits I will use for this. So now this took me another 10 minutes to figure out. As you can see here on Base44, we are already done for like 22 minutes, but now it seems to work. So I had to figure out that Replit is talking to another AI, so is Base44, but here you needed to connect the AI via API, and I had to upload my credits on OpenAI in order for Replit to be able to send the picture to OpenAI. Then ChatGPT is analyzing the picture, and then it's giving back the calories and the protein. So now I have it here, avocado toast with fried egg, and now I can click save and confirm, and it is saved. Unfortunately, without a picture, I asked it to have the picture here, so this is something I would also need to add now. But I think we have tested this now. So both apps can be published to the web. So this is the Base44 app, and it's with a picture, and it directly talks to an AI like Gemini or ChatGPT. But we also have the calorie tracker from Replit. But it took us way longer, like 25 minutes longer. And we had to connect via API to a different AI like ChatGPT. And we also needed to pay there. And it costs more. So here we paid $2 for this prototype, and here we paid 1.2 credits, and you get 25 credits on the free plan. So we can build almost 20 apps for free, and then we would need to upgrade. So there's a big difference. I didn't expect it to be such a big difference. Also design wise, I like this a lot better. And yeah, before we end this, I wanted to show you both. So here it's a little bit more developer focused. I had this in my comparison here because Replit started as a cloud coding environment for developers. So it was more for building code, and Base44 started directly as a no-code app builder, targeting like people like you and me, maybe like founders who just want to have a prototype. And Replit was more for developers and was a little bit more code heavy. And what that means, when you are in Replit, you can access the code here. So you have tools and files, and you have integrations, you can see the database, and you can see the code here. Where is it? Code search, and you have a console and developer integration, and you can also connect it to Git. But the same thing you also have in Base44. So, and it does even look better in my point of view, because here we have the database with our entries, we have our domain, we have our integrations, so we can connect it to Instagram, to Superbase, to different tools like Gmail, Stripe for payments, and we have our security check here, and we have our code base here, so we can also access the code. And yeah, I think from my point of view, it's kind of equal. And as said, Base44, it's cheaper, it's faster, and it worked right away. And it also looks better. So I don't know, why would you choose Replit? I don't want to say anything bad about Replit, but this was the live comparison now. And yeah, if you want to try it out yourself, as said, you will find both links down in the video description. I think I'm going with Base44 because it worked way better in this example here. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you think so too, and what your experience were. I would highly appreciate if you use my link to check out both tools, because then I can do more of these videos here in the future. And thank you a lot. And I will show you now how to build an entire app with Base44 in this tutorial, and see you there. Bye bye.